The alien creature actually tears through the ship's hull, infiltrating the spacecraft, and the monster carries radiation that destroys the ship's power system. To drive the creature out, they first need to restore the surveillance equipment to track the monster's movements. After discussing together, Captain Moore leaves the cockpit, checking his surroundings, while moving toward the backup power. Just as he successfully connects the power, the creature hears the sound and rushes toward him, watching the lights go out one by one. Moore knows he might be facing death. At this critical moment, a cable pulls him back into the cockpit. They immediately seal the hatch. They start planning how to lure the creature outside. Moore goes to the ship's rear as bait to attract the monster. When the creature arrives, they'll use the rear thrusters to destroy it. But something goes wrong. Affected by the creature's radiation, the engines fail to start. The monster is about to catch Moore. Another crew member exits the ship, diverting the creature's attention. Just then the disrupted engines fire up. The crew member dies tragically. With his teammates' help, Moore escapes back inside. In the instant the door closes, the creature's tentacle gets severed by the hatch. The tentacle pierces through his teammate's arm. After reinforcing the entire ship, Moore begins studying the unknown life form. This monster is a biological robot, made from the same material as the sphere, and it reacts violently to water. Moore makes another major discovery. The bacteria infecting his injured teammate has powerful defense mechanisms, though it severely damages the human immune system. It's the natural enemy of the virus spreading through Earth's plants. If they can bring this bacteria data back to Earth, they can completely restore Earth's ecosystem. While testing fragments from the sphere, Moore finds this piece is identical to one he found on Earth. Moore forms a bold theory. He contacts the ship's pilot, asking him to calculate the surrounding planets' positions going back 4 billion years. The results confirm his hypothesis. They haven't actually left the solar system. They've traveled back to Earth 4 billion years ago. Moore records instructions for controlling the sphere on the fragment. If his girlfriend can see the information on her fragment, she can follow the instructions to operate the sphere. First, they need to deal with that creature. They open all the hatches, luring the monster into the ship, then detonate explosives. Moore escapes before the blast, but shrapnel hits his oxygen supply. Moore has 20 minutes left. He reaches the cave and puts the fragment back, reprogramming the sphere to emit blue light. On Earth 4 billion years later, rain suddenly starts falling. The woman notices Moore's bracelet he left her now displays a code. She follows the code's instructions. The woman successfully activates the sphere. The orb starts pulsing continuously. Light beams appear everywhere, transforming the cave. Two people meet across 4 billion years of spacetime.
Dear.
Moore gives the woman the bacteria formula that can destroy the plant virus. Then his oxygen runs out. Their communication cuts off. Moore remains on Earth 4 billion years in the past. The woman uses Moore's data to create a vaccine, bringing Earth's plants back to life. Green covers the land once more. Human civilization continues on.